Hey, we're back with Break No More, and it's going to be time right now to take immediate action or to prepare to take immediate action because this is the coffee cup compass time right now, or the tea compass time, or the energizing like black tea or whatever. The thing is that like there are two types of tea in France. There is the tisane tea, which is without caffeine. So you can do this as well right now. Or the tea if it's more like the morning and you need to up yourself with a bit of thein and like active stuff in it in the cup. So actually you can still do this right now depending on the hour. Past 4 p.m. avoid too much energizing stuff if you don't work at night. Like this you're gonna sleep better. So why do this? So the principle is you take let's go again about it. So what you do is that you take your phone, or you take or you have your values in mind. So you take your three values, you look it up on your phone, or you revise it in your mind, and you choose one for the day, and then you put it on a sticky note and you put it on your cup. So this is love. So Arno, I love you. Up, I said I love you. To myself, which is good. And this primes your brain reticular activating system to spot opportunities to live by your chosen value all day long. It's like a theme for your day to prioritize something that you need to prioritize or to think about as often as possible, and or to think about in action or in how you could implement it better. Here me right now it expresses itself as prioritizing Stalk Yourself a bit more, and to say I love you to myself, and to greet you with much love in the end, or instead of have fun, for instance. So this is how it expresses itself directly. So you can do this every morning with your coffee or tea, and just make it like a daily ritual of intention. Like this is gonna step by step help you support you into changing your routine and changing the way you approach life more and more. So have fun and much love. I love you.